Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Google account settings from Gmail. Click your profile photo in the top right, then choose Manage your Google account. Once done, switch to the Security tab to see devices where your account is active. This list shows location, device type, and last activity. You need to confirm you're signed in to the correct account because signing out other devices affects sessions linked to this specific account. You now review the Managed Devices list carefully. Scan for unfamiliar device names, odd locations, or timestamps that don't match your activity. When you tap a device, Google displays details and a Sign Out button. Choose it for any device you want to remove. Make sure to repeat for each unwanted device. Also check for browser sessions and mobile apps. Some appear separately, so don't assume one sign out covers all. Finish by signing out each unwanted device. Tap Sign Out and confirm. Then strengthen security. Change your password and enable two-step verification to prevent re-entry. Revoke access for unknown apps under third-party access and scan recent security events for suspicious logins. If a device won't sign out, remove account access by changing your password. This forces most sessions to re-authenticate. Troubleshooting tip: if sign out doesn't work, clear passwords on that device or contact the device owner to remove the account manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.